The 2020 Morgan LE60 Plus Six. The 2020 Morgan LE60 Plus Six is a limited edition version of the company's six-cylinder roadster. Designed to celebrate the company's partnership with its Dutch retailer Louwman Exclusive, the LE60 is based on the brand new Plus Six that replaced the Plus 8 in 2019. The LE60 is limited to only 4 units, 2 finished in ice blue and 2 painted in Scintila Silver, each also fitted with special appointments. All 4 are being shipped to Louwman Exclusive. The LE60 lineup also includes a 3-wheeler model. Exterior. The LE60 is virtually identical to the regular Plus Six as far as exterior design goes. Although it comes with features you can't normally get with the Plus Six, the design layout remains unchanged, so it's just a slightly customized vehicle. The car's finished in ice blue ride on 19-inch alloy wheels with a wire wheel design that reminds of Morgan's from the past. The exterior is further enhanced by yellow accents like brake calipers, spotlight casings, and LE60 decals on the side vents of the engine hood. Moving over to the pair painted in Scintila Silver, these cars ride on slightly smaller wheels. The 18-inch Speedster rollers are also finished in black instead of silver. These roadsters also feature yellow brake calipers, but Morgan also added a yellow number 6 within the front grille, a tribute to race cars from the 1920s and 1930s. There's also a yellow band around the trailing edge of the engine hood that's reminiscent of the traditional Morgan bonnet strap. Interior. The modernized interior of the new Plus Six also remains unchanged as far as design, layout, and technology goes. As a reminder, here's a list of upgrades over the Plus 8. Better materials, redesigned center stack digital display in the dashboard, authentic wood trim sculpted door panels, sportier seats, enhanced legroom. For the LE60, Morgan prepared a few special and unique features. The ice blue version comes with black pebble textured leather. The seating upholstery also includes yellow diamond stitching and yellow LE60 embroidery on the headrests. Both the dashboard and the center tunnel are covered by matte tawny wood trim. The Scintila Silver also features yellow accents, but they're reduced to only horizontal seat stitching and the LE60 logos on the headrests. But unlike the blue model, its dashboard and center tunnel top are finished in the same color as the body for a vintage race-inspired look. Drivetrain. The LE60 is a standard Plus Six under the skin. The Plus Six was built on a clean sheet, so it rides on a new and modern platform, even though it still includes a wooden frame in order to preserve the company's coach-building legacy. The first Morgan to feature an inline-six engine, the Plus Six is powered by a turbocharged 3.0-liter engine borrowed from BMW. The mill is rated at 335 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque and enables the Roadster to hit 62 miles per hour from a standing start in 4.2 seconds. Ironically, it's 0.4 quicker than the Euro-spec BMW Z4 fitted with the same engine and a 1/10 second quicker than the Toyota Supra, also powered by the same unit. The Plus Six hits a top speed of 165 miles per hour, which is higher than all the other cars powered by BMW's inline-six engine, usually limited to 155 miles per hour. How much does the Morgan Plus Six LE60 cost? Morgan hasn't released pricing information for the LE60 edition, but it's safe to say that it costs more than the standard Plus Six, viable from £77,995. Given that there are only 4 cars available, we might not even find out pricing info since they've probably been commissioned by loyal customers of the Louwman Exclusive dealership. How many Morgan Plus Six LE60 cars are there? Morgan built only 4 cars. 2 are finished in ice blue, while 2 are painted in Scintila Silver. Conclusion. The LE60 limited edition model might not seem like a big deal, but it could be the beginning of a new era for Morgan. Although it doesn't come with an impressive amount of extra features, it demonstrates the firm's bespoke capabilities. It probably previews a program that could enable customers to make more extensive modifications to their cars. Morgan is basically getting ready to join other British carmakers that offer extensive customization, like Bentley and Aston Martin. Lotus also joined this list a while back, and it's a good strategy to sell more cars and charge more for bespoke upgrades. Love it, some unique details, appealing exterior colors, powerful standard engine previews, bespoke division? Leave it, you can't buy it, not very different actually.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.